And Sound Dogs itself, just tell us a bit more about that, because that's the first ever online sound effects library.
Yes. Sound Dogs started out as a Canadian company around 1990. It was founded by Nelson Ferreira and Greg King. Um, in 1995, Greg King and myself moved to LA and we created Sound Dogs USA. And then in 1997, we created a split-off internet company called sounddogs.com. And so we went online. So traditional libraries like Valentino, like Sound Ideas, Hollywood Edge, they all release CD libraries, but our goal was to release just the sounds online so you can just buy what you need and move on. So we never went into we only lightly went into the packaged products market. That was never our goal or our focus. So yeah, so we started in 1996 and released in 1997.